I got it on video.
Aspen, I swear to God, what the f are you doing? Wait, no!
What are you gonna pick anyway?
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Oh!
Hey Maddie, can I get an hour? Oh! Oh my goodness.
Serikkosen! Bro! What you doing? You want a meatball? You want the meatball?
Buy a goat, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Get out of my f***ing car.
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
Surprise, mother.
Do not. Taylor's. Oh!
Hey, come here, come on.
First of all, you're nothing but a trashy hoe. Second,
Drop the knees down. Slowly come down. Inhale, hands out to the floor. Exhale.
Penny? Do you want ham?
Leo.
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries, so, you know, maybe
still a sweet guy.
Happy birthday, Koki! Happy birthday, Koki! It's the birthday, Koki! Happy birthday, Koki!
You want a cake tomorrow?
Peter, the horse is here.
Here you go.
Holy! Look at that melon!
What the hell?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
That's a weird looking cat, fool.
I think it's a tiger. And they're both boys.
Can I help you with something, little man? Ow!
How about no?
What are you doing?
You have one old message. Sunday, 9:07 a.m.
Just stepped outside and somebody left a loaf of bread in my yard. Look at you. Why are you so fat?
No, 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 no.
Maybe they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I can't see shit out of this thing.
We ready or what?
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Bruh, are you eating Gibby? What, is he eating you?
On va à la douche. Scat douche. Allez. Allez, vas-y.
So you have some explaining to do. Because I'm pretty sure when I went to bed last night, there was definitely more toilet paper than this. And coincidentally, that looks like a perfect bite mark.
Don't be scared, little guy. Here you go. You're tiny, man. You mates with Buzz or Shaz? They're my mates.
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Ghost, you want a pup cup? Sit.
Yo and La Vida.
Hey.
I've only heard stories. Odin's tale. Don't know if I was ever asked to join the army. I had to look the old father.
Cansate, enfermito. Give me that. Good girl.
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Bir yüz tanıdığını bana şey yaptı ve arka tarafa dikkat ederseniz
3, 2. You don't have a cat? So then who keeps you company while you poop? They poop by themselves.
This right here is my absolute favourite noodle. Chefing you actual twat.
It's the final brain cell.
Yes? Who is it?
Booga booga!
Like this
inspiration to me. Like, I'm dead over it. Like, this, I was like ever, I just wanted, this is like art. Like, I love it. Like, there's something about.
When I was walking out of the bedroom, slapped me across the face. I turned to look at him. And I said, Johnny, you hit me.
What are you doing with them toes?
He's chilling like a villain.
What's up?
Patrick, are they gonna get into med school? Justice. No, but you are gonna get into law school.
What? Hi, Nia! Did you come to see me? Come on in. Come on, come play. Welcome! Welcome! Were you coming or not?